Jinan Glasino Glass Technology Company Limited is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of the glass tempering furnace, CNC glass cutting machine, glass washing machine, glass edging machine, insulating glass machine, curtain wall glass machine, aluminum and uPVC window door machine, etc. We are located in Jinan City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Have an outstanding engineer team and follows the standard system of ISO 9001 to arrange management strictly. In addition, we have obtained SGS certificates. Our products selling well in all over the world and have enjoyed good reputation from all of our customers. We are increasingly expanding our international market share based on quality products, excellent service, reasonable price, and timely delivery. Perpetual innovation is the soul of brand. Glasino people will continue making efforts and persist in taking the quality as the life of the enterprise. Continuously improve the production management level, research, and develop more advanced technology to meet the needs of the market. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Glasino will work with you to create a brilliant future.